For me, I will say, Ajay sir, when it's not about the experience, because if I will say our startups, for any simple startups like yours or mine, if
Mhm.
we say experience matters, then we will hardly get people who have worked with coconut, or hardly get people
Yes.
who have worked with
Saponism, correct.
we are working on such niche problems, to find a solution for. So I guess what matters to me most is, rather than experience, the attitude and willingness towards learning.
Hmm.
So really, one important thing, very important thing, not just for the startup, I will say, you go anywhere in MNCs, in the corporate or any other job. I think ownership matters the most. That someone should be ready to take that responsibility from head to tail, should be ready to work while that person is working, and then solve that problem, take the ownership of that problem. So that willingness towards learning matters to me the most. Second, what matters to me is the curiosity and adaptability. See, we are startup, we will not have the KRA set for the entire year. Our startups are so versatile that you will be doing one project or one task. You will be working upon one task for a week, and probably the next week the entire task will shift, and there will be no connection in between this task and the other one. So adaptability is something which I will really look for, and probably many other companies as well. So that is one thing which I definitely look into for the interns or any freshers with whom I'm working. And lastly, but not least, is alignment with the purpose.
Wow.
See, purpose with
Absolutely.
which I have started my startup. So I want that alignment of that person with the sustainability, with the science, with the health that we want to bring to the society, to the people, give back to the society. So I really want that person to be aligned with my core values, I would say. So that will be something for me, really matters to me, is all these three things. So
Absolutely.
mindset over experience will win for me.